Meet the tardigrades, who are also famously known as water bears or moss piglets. These tiny creatures, measuring between 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters, are the ultimate survivalists of the microscopic world. With their segmented bodies and 8 legs ending in tiny claws, they look like something came out of a sci-fi movie. Tardigrades can be found in various environments, from moss and lichen to leaf litter, soil, and aquatic habitats. They have a very diverse diet. They can munch on plant cells, algae, and small invertebrates. Apparently, this weird creature also has some superpowers. They can survive in extreme conditions that would make even the toughest superheroes jealous. High and low temperatures? No problem. High radiation levels? Bring it on. Extreme pressure? It's a piece of cake. Dehydration? They laugh in the face of dryness. And the vacuum of outer space? Can easily live there for their whole life. But how do they do it? Actually, they use a process called cryptobiosis, where they lose almost all of their water content, and their metabolism slows down to near level 0. It's like hitting the pause button on life. In this state, they can survive super harsh conditions for long periods. Some tardigrades have even been known to survive for decades in this suspended animation. When they are not using cryptobiosis, tardigrades do normal activities like other creatures. They reproduce through both sexual and asexual means, depending on the species. In other words, they don't even need a partner to have children. In favorable conditions, they can live for several months to a few years. But in cryptobiosis, they can easily outlast your favorite TV series. Apparently, these tiny creatures are not some latest discovery. They were discovered by a German zoologist, Johann August Ephraim Goeze, in 1773, and later named tardigrada by Italian biologist Lazzaro Spallanzani in 1777. They have been around for quite some time, They move in a slow, lumbering manner, using their 8 legs, which is why they're often called water bears. It's like watching a tiny, adorable bear taking a leisurely stroll, though they won't look so cute if they actually become bear size, and some people might even get scared by their squishy-looking body. In addition to cryptobiosis, tardigrades can undergo anhydrobiosis, where they lose almost all their water content and enter a state where they don't move even a bit. And this allows them to survive extreme dehydration. They've even been sent to space on multiple occasions by our human scientist, who wanted to study their ability to survive in the vacuum and radiation of space. And guess what? They aced that surprise test. Tardigrades also have unique genetic adaptations that help them repair their DNA, which often get damaged by extreme conditions. They even possess special proteins that protect their cells from all kinds of damage. Ecologically, they play an important role in contributing to the decomposition of organic matter and serving as a food source for other small organisms, which most creatures do to maintain the food chain.